Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourself productive. So feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
Solidworks Benchwise Assembly Exploded Views of Benchwise. Each and every part of Benchwise assembly are going to explode. Click on play button. Then screw will moving upward direction and bottom plate screw are moving downward directions. And handle knobs are moving at an angle and the another knob is also moving at another angle. This is exploding of views. Okay. And again pressing play button, and this is collapsing of views. Again knob will assemble to the handle, screws will go to the plate, and again top screw will go to the movable jar. This is an assembly of benchwise in which we are doing exploding and collapsing. Now adding bill of material in the assembly area. How to add bill of material? Click on bill of material. There is the option of parts only, top level, indented. Click on parts. There is no numbering, detail numbering, flat numbering, then also detail numbering, parts only. Start at, increment at. Okay, click on bill of material. Click on OK. Now the assembly within bill of material views are created. Click on and right click to delete this table and click on the zoom to fit area to fit the view.